Hey guys, my name is Ekene Thank God. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to make over $1,000 on Telegram. This is my first video, so I will appreciate if you like my video. Please press the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel so that I'll be able to drop more videos like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to what we came for. So first of all, before I get started, let me go to Telegram and show you how much I've made so far. So guys, remember that of this recent Telegram have included a wallet inside of the Telegram app. So I've been using the wallet for a while now, and I think it's good though. So first of all, let me go to my wallet and show you guys how much I've made so far. So this is my Telegram wallet. I've already verified everything. So this is how much I have on my balance right now on my Telegram account. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to sorry. I'll be showing you guys how I was able to make up to this amount. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you. So first of all, there are thousands of ways to make money on Telegram, and I'm going to be showing you this simple method I used. So the method I use is creating Telegram bots like this Money Naira bot now, as you can see. Okay, let me refresh it so that you can see how. So wait for yes. So when you press the start button, you see this button pops up now. Now, how do these guys make money? How do these guys make money from this Telegram bot? See, the first monetization option they have is this their channel. Now, before you use the bot, you have to join their channel. Okay, request to join. Now you can. So I've joined the channel, and this is the dashboard. I don't know if these guys are actually legit, but most of these things are scam. I don't know for Money Naira, but what I know is that most of them are scam. Now this is how they make money on this bot. So like this Money Naira bot now, I'm sure that it must have had at least up to 500 users. So you can actually monetize your Telegram bot once it's up to 500 users. And I bet you this guy is already making tons of money from it. So there is a way to you can just go ahead and create your Telegram bot, and you can start from somewhere. But please guys, if you want me to make another video on how to create a Telegram bot from scratch to the end, I'll recommend you put it down in the comment section, and then I think I'll make a video on that. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. So I made over $1,000 in like it took me like 3 months, I think, because I'm into tailoring, and I don't have much time. I'm not always active to to be pushing to be putting time into it. So but if you have time and you have enough time to do this stuff, you can actually make more than $1,000 in the space of 1 month. So because I'm always busy, I only use my spare times. That's why it took me like 3 to 4 months before I was able to make such amounts. And in the money I made have helped me to boost my business. So without wasting much of it. This is the Money Naira community, and they have over 199.7 thousand subscribers. This channel is already monetized like crazy. It's monetized, and this is another one. This one is called Panda Payout. So now the question is, how do they make money from bots, and how do you create a bot? Now you see something like, for example, now let me just press this referral. They will still ask you to join this channel. Now this is the monetization option. Like this Sporty Bet Nations now. This money bot is already monetized. So for you to join this channel now, the owner of the bot will actually make money once you press this request to join. Once you join the channel, his money will be reflecting on his dashboard. Like you will start seeing your money. So even if you click balance, you still have to join the channel. Click withdraw, you must join the channel. So you see, and if you come back the next day, you will still see another channel. So they keep making money every day. And this is not the only monetization option. Their community is also monetized. Sometimes when you come here, you will see adverts and all that on the site. Those are actually monetization. You understand? So guys, it's easy to make money on Telegram. You just have to know the way. So without much ado, I'm not going to waste much of your time. But in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Telegram bot and make money with it. So this is the latest bot I created, and you can see bot reviews report, today's new users, 0 people and stuffs. Now let me just go to my second account and show you just a quick recap. So normally, before you can be able to create a bot on Telegram, you need to visit bot father. So this is my bot father. You just search bot father and then go to my bots. So these are my 3 bots. This Bremio bot is actually the one that fetched me a lot of money, and this Soul Trade Master bot is not fetching me a lot, but I think it's trying. So this test money bots, I just use it to check out some new features and stuff. So let me show you how it works. This is your bot setting now. Let me just click this test money bot. Now this is the bot. I created this one like 3 days ago. So this is the menu. This is what the owner of any bot you see on Telegram see. This is the bot dashboard. As you can see, this is post editor, button editor. I can edit any button in my front end. And maybe let's assume that I have 500 users on this bot now, and I want to monetize it. I'll just click on this admin and click on advertisements. You see, you are in the advertisement market. Participation in advertisement market system is available only for bots with over 500 users. Until your bot have 500 users, you will not be able to set up and apply for participation in the advert market. Invite more users in your bot to activate this feature. You see, so please, if you are really interested, and or maybe you don't know how to create a bot, I'll put my link, maybe a contact, maybe my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number, so that you can be able to contact me and I'll be able to help you. And if you want me to make a video, please don't hesitate to tell me on the comment section. I'll get to it right away. So thank you for watching my videos, and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.